Now we will start with the problems on line and plane. Find the vector equation of plane passing through the point a minus 1, 2, minus 5 and parallel to vectors 4i minus j plus 3k and I plus j minus k. We know that the vector equation of plane passing through point A and parallel to B bar and C bar is R bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. We have three vectors A bar, B bar and C bar. You can see the vectors given as per. Now finding the product B bar cross C bar, we will write in matrix from I, J, K, vector B and vector C. Then solving the determinant, we will get minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Now doing the dot product, we will get A bar dot B bar cross C bar as minus 9. Therefore, the required equation is R bar dot minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k equal to minus 9. Next problem, find the Cartesian equation of the plane R bar equal to I minus j plus lambda I bar plus j bar plus k bar plus mu I minus 2j plus 3k. Given plane is perpendicular to vector n bar, where n bar equal to b bar cross c bar. We will get b bar cross c bar as 5i minus 2j minus 3k. The direction ratios of the normal are 5, minus 2, minus 3 and plane passing through a 1 minus 1 0. Its Cartesian equation is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Therefore 5 times x minus 1 minus 2 times y plus 1 minus 3 times z minus 0 equal to 0. Therefore 5x minus 2y minus 3z minus 7 equal to 0. Next problem, find the vector equation of plane passing through points A 1 1 2, B 0 2 3 and C 4 5 6. We know that vector equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Let A bar, B bar and C bar be the position vectors of points A, B and C respectively. We have given A bar, B bar and C bar. Now we will find the B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar. We will get B bar minus A bar as minus I plus J plus K and C bar minus A bar is equal to 3I plus 4J plus 4K. Therefore B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus A bar equal to 7j minus 7k. The plane passes through A equal to I plus j plus 2k and 7j minus 7k is normal to the plane. Therefore its equation is R bar minus A bar dot 7j minus 7k equal to 0. Therefore R bar minus I plus j plus 2k into 7i minus 7k equal to 0. Now simplifying, we will get R bar equal to R bar dot 7j minus 7k equal to minus 7. This is the required equation. Next problem, find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 6 units from the origin and to which the vector 2i minus j plus 2k is normal. Here p equal to 6, n equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. Therefore mod of n bar equal to 3. Now finding the unit vector n cap equal to n bar over mod of n bar, it will be 2i minus j plus 2k by 3. Therefore the required equation is r bar dot n cap equal to p. It will give us r bar dot 2i minus j plus 2k by 3 equal to 6. Simplifying, it will become r bar dot 2i minus j plus 2k equal to 18. Next question. Find the perpendicular distance of the origin from the plane x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. First we write the given Cartesian equation in normal form. In the form Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Direction ratios of the normal are 1, minus 3, 4. Therefore, direction cosines are 1 over square root 26 minus 3 over square root 26 and 4 over square root 26. Given equation can be written as Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. By plugging in the value of L, M and N, we will get this equation. The distance of the origin from the plane is 6 over square root of 6, which is the value of P you will get from the equation. Find the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 18. The direction ratios of the normal to the plane 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 18 are 2, 1, minus 2. Therefore, direction ratios are 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. The normal form of the given Cartesian equation is 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3y minus 2 by 3z equal to 6. Therefore, we will get P is equal to 6. The coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular are LP, MP and NP. Plugging in the values, you will get 4, 2, minus 4. These are the coordinates. Next question. Reduce the equation r bar dot 3i minus 4j plus 12k equal to 8 to the normal form, and hence find the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane and the direction cosines of the normal. Here n bar is given as 3i minus 4j plus 12k. Therefore, mod of n bar equal to 13, and the required equation of normal form is r bar dot n cap equal to p. Then we will find it like r bar dot 3i minus 4j plus 12k over 13 equal to 8 by 13. We will get the length as 8 by 13, as we know that r bar dot n cap equal to p. We got p as 8 by 13, and direction cosines are 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13 and 12 by 13. Last question. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 0, 2 and the line of intersection of planes r bar dot I plus j plus k equal to 8 and r bar dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k equal to 3. Equation of required plane is of the form r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar minus d1 plus lambda d2 equal to 0. Now plugging in the values, r bar dot I plus j plus k plus lambda 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equal to 8 plus 3 lambda. Now simplifying, it will give us r bar dot 1 plus 2 lambda I plus 1 plus 3 lambda j plus 1 plus 4 lambda k. The plane passing through the point 1, 0, 2, we can write I plus 2k into the above vector. We have written r as I plus 2k. It will give us the equation 1 plus 2 lambda plus 2 times 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 8 plus 3 lambda. Now solving this equation for lambda, we will get lambda equal to 5 by 7 from equation 1 and 2. By plugging in the values of lambda, we will get the general equation r bar dot 17i plus 22j plus 27k is equal to 71. This is the final answer. Thank you.